Woman, Daddy, are you? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not new, welcome. If you're new, my name is Nyasha, also known as WeNyasha, and I'm so excited to have you on my channel. Please make sure that you're part of the family. Hit the subscription button. By the way, it's free $99. You don't need to pay anything to be part of my YouTube family, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install your forks or bun like a pro. Just kidding. I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your natural hair into a chic, sleek, high puff bun like the one that I have on short hair. Yes, my hair is short, but yeah, I think I'm kind of slaying it. So if you want to see how you can achieve this high puff bun, stick around and get to watch. So first thing is I'm going to spritz my hair with water. I'm not going to drench my hair. I just want to get it moist, especially around the edges. Then I'm going to go in with the soft brush. Just going to slick down my hair all around. Next, I'm going to go in with my Avocado hair balm from Manetain Organics. Just going to apply it all around my hair. By the way, you guys can use styling gels if you want to really slick down your hair. I'm just going to apply the butter onto my hair, especially around my edges, because I have the hairline situation going on and I don't want to use gels that often. Next, I'm going to use the string to tie my hair. Make sure that you do not make it tight, guys. Make it loose enough to have slick down hair, but don't make it too tight. You end up having headaches or breaking your hair, and don't tie it. Then so I'm going to tuck in the ends of the string. I'm not going to tie, because tying or making a knot will actually break my hair. It's not so friendly. So I'm going to tuck them and then puff my hair out. I'm going to use an afro comb to help me pick my hair. This helps in giving an illusion of fuller hair, fuller and longer hair. I'm just going to go in with the hair balm, but tap balm, whatever you call it, just to slick down my ends. You can go ahead and apply your styling gels or styling mousse or whatever it is that you use, but then specifically for ladies with a hairline situation, I would discourage frequent use of gels because your hairline is very sensitive. So balm does it for me. And yeah, just pick, and then we'll be good, guys. Just look at that. Look at that. I'm loving it. Look at that. So guys, this is the final outcome. I'm pretty much loving it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know how you style your short hair. Let me also know what other videos you'd want me to share with you in regards to natural hair as well. And yeah, make sure you hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on my next video. I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss that one. And yeah, till next time, don't forget to pray, ace and slay always. Bye.